Prepare to be transported to a world of luxury and innovation as we take you on a tour of Mercedes-Benz's luxurious bus production line. Get ready to see the state-of-the-art technology and unparalleled craftsmanship that goes into creating some of the most opulent buses on the market. From the assembly of the engine to the final inspection, we'll take you behind the scenes and give you a glimpse of the incredible attention to detail and innovation that sets Mercedes-Benz apart from the bus manufacturing industry. Trust us, this is one tour you won't want to miss. So sit back, relax and join us as we take you inside Mercedes-Benz's luxurious bus production line. Mercedes-Benz has been manufacturing buses in Mannheim, Germany since 1895. Mercedes-Benz buses and coaches have been a brand of EvoBus GmbH, a wholly owned subsidiary of Daimler Truck, since 1995. Technology. The disc-shaped, excellent electric motor is installed between the combustion engine and the automatic transmission. When braking or decelerating, it acts as a generator, converting kinetic energy into electricity. The electricity generated in this manner is stored in the storage modules, which consist of 16 supercaps with a total capacity of 88 watt-hours. Supercap technology is ideal for quick charging and discharging transitions. The e-motor does not increase maximum power, so the bus's power and torque specifications remain unchanged. Instead, it reduces the load on the combustion engine, resulting in fuel savings. The system employs autonomous energy management. The hybrid fittings do not affect the interior. Driving technique and mode of operation are unaffected. Versatility. Mercedes-Benz's efficiency extends far beyond fuel savings. The modules require no maintenance and are intended to last the vehicle's life. The 48-volt technology operates at a non-hazardous voltage. Compared to other hybrids, the absence of high-voltage components significantly simplifies operation, maintenance, and after-sales. In all variants, the hybrid system can be delivered in combination with the compact diesel motors Mercedes-Benz OM 936 and 936H. It is only available on Mercedes-Benz Citaro, Connecto, and Intoro buses. Citaro Hybrid, Connecto Hybrid, and Intoro Hybrid are the names of the resulting variants. The electric bus. In markets like Latin America, fully electric buses are rising, while e-chassis are relatively uncommon. Manufacturers of city bus bodies are looking for electrical engine and transmission solutions to use as the foundation for the individually tailored electric city buses in high demand in these markets and best fit the bus rapid transit systems that operate in South American metropolitan areas. Daimler Buses has developed the fully electric Mercedes-Benz EO500U bus chassis for these manufacturers, which is set to hit the road in Brazil in early 2023 and will later be transported to other Latin American markets. The subsequent rollout plan is still being developed, so further exports to many countries may be possible. Ranges of up to 300 kilometers are possible. Daimler Buses has invested 100 million real, approximately 19 million euros, in developing the new, fully electric Mercedes-Benz EO500U bus chassis at its Brazilian national subsidiary, Mercedes-Benz do Brasil. To ensure the highest level of quality, reliability, and safety for customers, Daimler Buses' engineers put the EO500U electric bus chassis through rigorous trials and road tests in both Brazil and Germany before its introduction. Hygiene measures taken during the COVID-19 pandemic. During COVID-19, Mercedes-Benz will provide bus operators with driver protection doors, active filters for air conditioning systems, and other practical accessories. Mercedes-Benz is synonymous with safety, which is especially important during the pandemic. Drivers and passengers can once again travel confidently on buses bearing the three-pointed star because they are provided with high levels of safety on board, including infection protection. Local public transportation drivers have the most direct contact with passengers. As a result, Mercedes-Benz has taken the first step in developing professional protective doors for the Citaro city bus. Full-length transparent partitions of real glass and high-quality polycarbonate protect the driver from droplet contamination and replace improvised solutions. This allows passengers to re-enter through door 1 and the driver to check their tickets. The Citaro driver protection doors are available both fully closed and with a ticket-selling opening. They can be factory installed on new vehicles or provided as a retrofit solution. Glass or polycarbonate protective doors are available for the Mercedes-Benz low-floor municipal service bus. Passengers who spend time in an enclosed space may be concerned about the risk of infection. On the other hand, Mercedes-Benz is keeping a close eye on the onboard climate. In city bus operations, regular stops at the bus stop only a few hundred meters apart result in open doors for longer, improving the exchange rate of fresh air. Additional vent openings, such as foldable windows or roof hatches, can increase fresh airflow if installed. However, if factory-installed roof-mounted air conditioning systems are turned on, foldable windows and roof hatches should be closed to avoid control errors. Modern drive concept. Like nearly all Citaro vehicles in the Spillman fleet, the bus features a compact and powerful hybrid module. The additional drive power of the efficient 14 kW electric motor reduces the strain on the modern diesel engine when moving off. The engine produces the electrical energy required for this while it is coasting or braking. This reduces fuel consumption by up to 8.5% depending on deployment and topography. The new Mercedes-Benz city bus also includes the Side Guard Assistance System, a radar-based turning assistant that assists the bus driver in making necessary right turns, and for the first time, a 360-degree camera system. 4 cameras provide a 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings. This means it is possible to detect pedestrians, cyclists, and obstacles in areas where the driver would otherwise be unable to see them. This improves road safety by assisting drivers in detecting collision hazards and avoiding accidents. When traveling at speeds up to 35 km an hour, the camera system is activated automatically, as is the turn indicator at higher speeds. Safety. The primary goal of Mercedes-Benz development is safety, and so it is with the new EvoBus, as the driver of this all-terrain vehicle must master the most diverse traffic situations. Theft prevention is the first step toward safety. The new keyless smart system is available as an option for EvoBus. By pressing a button upon entering the EvoBus, the driver can insert the key, unlock the ignition, and start the engine. The keyless start also serves as an immobilizer. The EvoBus can be fully equipped with any current safety system. Side Guard Assist with person recognition is available for the first time on an intercity bus. It warns the driver of moving objects on the door side during turnings, such as pedestrians or cyclists, and stationary obstacles in the turning curve. Furthermore, it assists the driver when changing lanes to the right. The new electronic handbrake combines ease of use with high safety. When driving begins, the electronic handbrake is automatically released, the accelerator is pressed, and the vehicle is put into gear. When the EvoBus comes to a complete stop and the driver exits the cockpit or switches off the engine, the handbrake is automatically engaged, preventing the bus from rolling away. Visibility is synonymous with safety, as is the standard rain light sensor. Whether it's the lights or the wipers, technology takes over. High-quality headlamps are yet another safety feature on the new EvoBus. Fittings range from powerful halogen to xenon lamps with LED daytime running lights, which can be supplemented with fog lamps and cornering lights. With this all-round support, the EvoBus is best prepared for practically any traffic situation. More is safety and more is support for bus drivers. The new Active Brake Assist 5 ABA5 generation can now trigger full braking not only due to stationary barriers and vehicles in front, but also pedestrians, a first in the world of buses and coaches. This improves the performance of the Active Brake Assist yet again. Mercedes-Benz introduced it in 2008 and has constantly been improving it since then. The addition of a highly developed camera system to the multi-mode radar system, which is still in use, is the technical background of ABA5. The data from the radar and camera systems are combined in a control device to improve pedestrian and vehicle detection. If a collision with a moving or stationary pedestrian is unavoidable, the Active Brake Assist 5 warns the driver visually and audibly and initiates either partial or complete braking. That's all for today's video. Do let us know your thoughts about the Mercedes-Benz bus in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this. Goodbye.